everybody. My name is Elaina Mitchell, and I am a graphic designer, a web designer, and a passionate and creative professional in all aspects of the word. I absolutely love to create, and I've known since I was really little that creativity and design are just my passion, and I have done everything I can in life to pursue that passion 100%. I ventured into fields like photography, graphic design, obviously, web design. I build furniture, I refinish furniture, I paint murals. The list goes on and on. Anything creative that I can get my hands on, I am there. I thrive on learning, and I like to share that knowledge with people because I spent so much time accumulating these tips and advice by trial and error that I don't want you to waste any time. So I'm sharing these tips for free. The tips today are going to be about your Shopify store. Shopify is by far the leading e-commerce platform out there, and that is for many, many reasons. I won't get into too much detail because I want to keep this video super short and sweet and to the point because I know you are looking to make more money on your Shopify store, and I want you to make more money. And I also give these tips away for free because I want your business to thrive and grow, and I want you to know that you can do this. And hopefully one day when your business is at a level where you can afford to hire a professional, that's when you can give me a call. I don't mind that at all. And the number to my office is right down there, 727-754-2717. You can also visit my website or send me an email if you have any questions, and all of that information is going to be in the description of this video. So let's get right to it. Let's jump right in. The first thing you want to remember when you're putting together your e-commerce store, your Shopify store, is to make sure that you have a professionally designed logo. And now I know starting a business can be a little tight on the budget, and not everybody can afford a professional graphic designer for their logo. There are some really super cheap alternatives out there nowadays to get a quick and simple logo. They're not always going to be the best, but they're going to give you that professional branded look that the consumers are looking for when they visit your site. If I were to stumble upon a Shopify site or an e-commerce store and they didn't have a logo, I would log right off. A logo is going to create the security for a consumer to know that you are a professional business and you did take that extra step to give yourself that professional look and image through your logo. So the first step is get yourself a logo. Do not skip that step. It's so important. The logo is going to be the face of your business. And that's why it's really important to invest in a professional graphic designer. But like I said, if you can't, no problem. Take the shortcut, go to Fiverr, whatever you have to do to get it done, but get yourself a logo. The next step is going to be keep it simple. Now this seems like a no-brainer, but a lot of people think way too much into their whole web design Shopify store, and it gets a little complicated. And what it does when you have too much going on your site, it deters a sale. People get overwhelmed, they get confused, things like hard to navigate tabs at the top, flashy icons, huge sliders that are going to take up the viewer's attention from your product. Those things, it's just going to deter a sale. So I always tell my consumers, keep it super simple and you'll go a lot further. I also always remind my clients to make sure that their backgrounds on their site are all white. It just gives a crisp, clean, super sleek and modern look to your website. So keep it simple, keep it all white on the background, and then you would also want to brand your site to match your logo. So that's why the logo is going to be the first step, because the colors and fonts and stuff you use on your site throughout should match your logo and go with it well. So that's another tip. Also, you want to make sure you're placing your products on your home page. There are many companies out there that forget this vital step, and there are many studies done that prove when your products are on your home page, you're going to sell more than when your products are hidden in collections and categories. You don't have to put all of your products on your home page. That's not necessary. You want to put the most popular products, the ones that are going to make you the most profit, or your top selling products. Place them on your home page. And that doesn't have to be the only thing on your home page, but it should be right there, hard to miss, because that is, you have to assume that your consumer is ready to buy when they visit your Shopify store. So keep your products on the home page. Next step is going to be the way you save your images. Dun, dun, dun. Now this is something a lot of people don't even realize. Let me give you an example here. Let's say that your company name is Play Kids USA and you want to sell a red ball. The way you're going to put the image into this product for the red ball is very important. So let's say we have an image of a red ball and we want to upload it onto our site to sell it. We need to save that image in our computer with very descriptive words. So since your company name is Kids Play USA, excuse me, you want to make sure that the first title of that image is going to be Kids Play USA, or at least have the company name somewhere in there. So you're going to save the red ball images, Kids Play USA, red ball, bouncy fun, kids, toddler, birthday, anything that's going to go well with that product or help it sell. Those descriptive words need to be in the title of the image. Then you would upload that image into the product. And what this is going to do is going to help Google Images find your image. When somebody searches those keywords, now your image is going to pop up. And it's just another funnel, another way for people to find your page, find your products, which will help you sell more. So save your images properly. And the last and final tip is going to be descriptive in your product descriptions. Go into detail, explain what the product's made of, what colors it comes in, what it's good for. So for example, let's go back to that red ball example. In the description of that red ball, I would write bouncy, bright, fun red ball, great for children, boys and girls, toddlers of all ages, birthday party fun. You can go on and on listing these very descriptive words so that, again, when somebody's searching these descriptive words in Google, your product is now going to come up. So those are just some super simple, to the point tips that are going to help you sell more on your Shopify store. And I'm going to leave it at that. If you guys want to get a hold of me or have any questions, call my office at the number below. You can also look at the description of this video to find out how to get a hold of me on other channels like my social media. And I'm going to leave it at that, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. This is my very first YouTube tutorial tip video, and I'm so glad to have it done and over with and share the knowledge. So make sure you hit the thumbs up button if you felt like this information is helpful to you. Share this video with your friends that have a Shopify store or that have been thinking of opening a Shopify store. And if you have any more questions about building a website or graphic design in general, give me a call. I give away my tips and advice for free because I want you to succeed. And I will leave it at that. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.